Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to download videos in Telegram on Windows, Mac or Linux. So let's get started. So what you can do is just simply open up your Telegram application in your Windows, Mac or Linux. After opening up your Telegram, now what you can do is just simply select a video that you want to download. So for example, I want to download this video. So what I can do is just simply select it and then left click on that video and then tap on save as. And after tapping on save as, now you can save this video wherever you like inside your files. So basically you have to save it in your downloads. So what you can do is just simply head over to your downloads and then tap on save. And after tapping on save, you will save this video in your downloads. So now it will just open up your files and then check if the video has been downloaded. So here you can see guys, the video has been successfully downloaded in my device. So that's it guys, this is how to download videos in Telegram on Windows, Mac or Linux. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.